Hello Beshi, so this is the final result. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Okay, this is the Meitu app. Click photo and then you can choose, for example, this picture. Okay, kasama si boyfriend na lang. No. Sige, ito na lang. Okay, for example, this one. And then click edit. Choose 16:9 kasi ito yung size sa thumbnail. Okay, for example, like this. Okay. Tapos, add text. For example, this one. Another cut day. Alright, another cut day. Okay, so, choose fonts. Yung pinipili ko dito, Bishi, is Anton. And then you can choose colors, text color, for example, color red, with the stroke is color white. And then you can adjust the width. Okay, another cut day, for example. Okay, let's adjust another cut day. Ana. Or you can add more text. So, i-click mo lang ito and then +1. Tapos, kanari, welcome to my vlog. Okay, and then you can choose another color, kunwari color yellow with black stroke. Tapos ayan, welcome to my vlog. Ano ko pa dyan. And then pagkatapos nyan, you can select stickers. For example, click the search button, type YouTube, tapos ito, pwede mo yan i-click. Ayan, adjust. Okay, tapos click ka ulit. Ay, hindi yan. Subscribe now. For example, this one. You can put it here. You can also add your social media account if you want to. So, in order for us to add another photo, you're going to click cut out. For example, cut out. Then, you're going to add new and then click import. Tapos, maghanap ka ng picture na gusto mong i-add. For example, this one, the dog. Automatic na siya magka-cut out. So, click check. Pagkatapos, ilagay mo lang dyan, beshi ko. And then, ayan na. You can also add more. So, click again, new, import. For example, this one, another picture. Okay, like this. Click check. So, ayan na siya. You can also put this in the back. For example, send backward. Nalagay na pala siya, beshi, pero dito lang. Sa picture na to. Hindi sa text. Okay. And, ayan na siya, beshi ko. Oops. Ba't nagalaw si boyfriend? So, ayan na, beshi ko. Then, click save. Tapos, yun na.